nab all the culprits who did it, and it was a thorough scientific investigation with digital mapping done. A blind case being worked out within 2 years.
At Fatorda police station has received a complaint from the mother of a girl who is a little mentally unstable girl, that her daughter has been gang raped on the night of 22nd and 23rd between 20:00 hours, that's 8 p.m. To 3:30 early morning, and then she was left near Novem Circle. The names, what has been disclosed, are Adil Algur, he is a 18 years old fellow from Chikali, Vasco. Then Mohammed Mulla, he is 22 years old, he is from Mangur Hill, Vasco. Then Shahzad Shaikh, he is 18 years old from Kharivada, Vasco. Viresh Aguanda, he is 18 years old from near Hanuman Temple, Vasco. And Mohammed Yasir, he is 18 years old from Bogda near Sada, Vasco. They have all been arrested in this case. It was a very blind case. We have registered it under section 138, 17 to bracket 1 and section 64(1) K and M of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Now in this case, the girl was at the bus stand. She had come at Madgaon bus stand. She was befriended by accused number 1 Adil, from where in the bus he took her to Vasco. From there he called up his other friends, other 4, who came with Baleno car. They took this girl, then they came to Cansaulim in a guest house, and over there they had forcibly sexual intercourse with her, and thereafter this girl in the same Baleno car was left at Nove Junction early morning, and then she showed a signal hand to someone who then called up the control room. The girl was picked up, brought to the police station, wherein she disclosed about this offence on her. Using the CCTV mappings, we zeroed down the accused persons. We developed forward-backward linkages about this offence. Surveillance was mounted. Teams were formed under my supervision, and SDPO Madgaon, SDPO Kepe, SDPO Vasco were present, along with PI of Fatorda Police Station, PI of Kepe Police Station, PI of Vasco Police Station, PI of Verna Police Station, and we rounded up these persons and brought them to the police station, where they have been arrested in this crime.
For remand?
They have been taken for remand, and they are yet to come from the remand.
हेचून खरें म्हणजे हांगाचे न्ही तें खंयच्या तरी आमचे सावथ गोवाच्यान मडगांव आयले, आनी मडगांव येतरी ताका फातोडेच्यान तांणी किडनॅप करून व्हेलें. आतां ते रात आशिल्ले तेन्ना, पूण ते किडनॅप करून व्हेले आनी मागीर ताचे बलात्कार जाले. ते घरांतल्यान भायर सोडिल्ले. ताचे 5 जाणांनी बलात्कार केला. आनी बलात्कार कोणी बायल कितले रातीक भोंवपाक शकता? गोंय सुरक्षीत आसपाक जाय. इतले म्हणजे बिंदास कोणी कोणाक उखलून वता, ताका फ्लॅटान व्हरता खंय तरी, आनी ताचे 5 जाण बलात्कार करता. म्हणजे हो इट्स अनबिलिवेबल. गोंयांत पळय चल्ला, इट्स अनबिलिवेबल. हें कितें आनी खंय तरी म्हाका तरी दिसता आमी गोंयांत आनी खंय तरी आनी खंय आसा. त्या जाग्याचेर तुका उखलून भायले व्हरपाक जाता आनी तूं ट्राय तें कर मागीर. आनी तरी बरें तें रिपोर्ट जालें म्हणून. आनी आवट ऑफ शेम केन्ना भुरगीं ओगी रावतात, चली ओगी रावतात. पूण ते फुडें येवन ताणें रिपोर्ट केलें, सांगलें, आनी कौतूक करता हांव. PSI पळय ताची केस पळय इन्वेस्टिगेट केल्या, ते PSIचें हांव कौतूक करता. कित्याक सगळे प्रयत्न करून ताणें नंतर केस हँड ओवर केला. जे इन्सिडंट जाल्लो थंय
मॅडम कितें दिसता तो अशें कोणी रातीन भोंवतात हेचेर सेफ
पळय,
आसा?
रातीन भोंवचें न्ही म्हूण खंयचो कायदो आसा? बायलो भोंवतलच. डॉक्टर्स आसा, नर्सीस आसा, आनी खंयचे ऑक्युपेशनां आसा लोक रातचे तांकां वॉक फिरचेच पडटा न्ही. दादले कित्याक फिरतात तर दादल्यांचेर कित्याक लक्षात जायना? फ्रिडम आमचो तो. आमी खंय वचपाक शकतात, केन्नाय वचपाक शकतात.
हे भुरगीं डिजेबल?
हे भुरगे आसा ते धरून हाडले पुलिसेन कौतूक सावथ गोवा पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाचो. अंडर सुनीता मॅडम आनी सिद्धांत सर आनी जे पुलीस स्टेशनान ही केस हायलायट ते सगळ्यांचे कौतूक. ताचे उच्च कौतूक आमी सांगना ते PSIन ही पूर्णपणे एन्क्वायरी केली.
तांकां सजा कडकच्या कडक जावपाक जाय अशें दिसना तो असली केसी?
हय हय, अरेस्ट न्ही, कडक तांचेर. हांव म्हणटा कितें जाणा, रेप इज लायक किलिंग बॉडी एंड सोल. इट्स अ मर्डर. Should be treated on par with murder.
Sigamos, sigamos, sigamos para allá.